Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKILLRACK daily challenge for April 30, 2021. Let's see what's in there. Cricket tournament schedule. There are n teams playing in a cricket tournament. The team name and home ground of each team are passed as input. Each team plays two matches against the other teams, one in home ground and the other in opponent ground. The program must create the schedule for matches in the tournament. The details of each team must be printed in the format of given below. Team name, visiting team name, and the ground. Okay, here's the sample input. Oh, more like IPLE. They are given four teams and the home grounds, and the output is like CSK versus KKR in CSK ground and KKR versus CSK in KKR ground and CSK MI CSK CSK RCB CSK. Okay, it's kind of simple thing. Here they have given some four teams, right? A, B, C, D. We have to match like AB and AC and AD. Now, and also the vice versa, BA, CA, DA, B. This should be here like, yeah, ABBA, ACCA, like that. Here we can omit the A part after this. Here we have BCD, so it will be like BC, CB, BD, and DB. Right? Now we can omit this B part and we'll have something like CD and DC. Now we can omit the whole part. It seems like kind of permutation thing, right? We have to traverse from 1 to n minus 1 first for the outer loop. Then we have to traverse from I plus 1 to n. That's what we are going to do. First for the input part, then we have some list. Those things are separated by hyphens, right? For I in range of n times. Now we will get the input part like this. What we have to do now is for I in range of n minus 1 and for j in range of I plus 1 till n. Print list of I versus I of 0 comma, versus, comma, list of j of 0, which is nothing but a team name, and those things are happening in that stadium, right? We have to mention that also, comma, plus first the home ground of I, which is nothing but a first position of the list. Then we have to do this one. After that we have to print the same thing but in a reverse manner, like j 0 versus uh, I now, I 0, then j home ground, that's it. See, we are getting it. CSK KKR. I don't think they have mentioned the space here, did they? Okay, there is a space, but we have two spaces, right? Here this is one, but here this is two, I guess. Here also we are getting two spaces, I guess. No need to worry, because there is a strip function in Python. We take care of everything. Oh, oh, sorry for that. We can strip the string, but not the list. Hope we are getting this kind of proper output in a proper format. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's all about it. Here is the code for your view. I'm just extending why this is happening. Yeah, wish me luck. We got that.